Only people who get it are the people who get it. Welcome to J Get It, where we empower you to achieve financial freedom and unlock the life of your dreams. In today's YouTube short video, I'll be sharing simple steps that can pave the way to financial independence. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. So, let's dive in. The first step to financial freedom is setting clear financial goals. Take a moment to envision what you want to achieve financially. Is it paying off debt, saving for a down payment, starting a business, or retiring comfortably? Clearly defining your goals will keep you focused and motivated on your journey. Step 2. Create and stick to a budget. Creating a budget is essential for managing your money effectively. List your income sources and allocate funds to different categories such as housing, transportation, groceries, and savings. Make sure to prioritize saving and track your expenses diligently. A budget will help you stay on track towards your financial goals. Step 3. Reduce expenses and increase income. To accelerate your path to financial freedom, identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. Look for ways to save on utilities, entertainment, and unnecessary purchases. Additionally, explore opportunities to increase your income, whether through a side hustle or advancing in your career. Every extra dollar counts. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is crucial for financial security. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account. Having this safety net will protect you from unexpected events and ensure you stay on track towards your goals. Step 5. Pay off debt strategically. Debt can hold you back from financial freedom. Develop a plan to pay off your debt strategically. Consider focusing on high-interest debts first or utilizing the debt snowball or debt avalanche methods. As you pay off debt, you'll free up more resources to invest in your future. Step 6. Invest for long-term growth. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth. Educate yourself on different investment options such as stocks, real estate, or index funds. Start small, diversify your portfolio, and focus on long-term growth. Consistency and patience are key when it comes to investing. Congratulations! By following these simple steps, you're on your way to financial freedom. Remember, it's a journey that requires commitment and discipline. If you found this YouTube short video helpful, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Together, we can create a community of financially empowered individuals. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, keep striving for financial freedom. Thanks for watching.